looking back at this, trying to video holding the phone between your thighs is harder than you would think, and operate and not hit wires. The car that was trying to come up from by my blind side. But all we were doing was packing up for the weekend. We were getting done laying water main, having a good day. It's a Friday. Everybody's just looking to get out, which you can't blame them. After working all week, it's always nice to have Friday night. So let all the professional operators out there look at this and judge it. I'm sure they're going to say, oh, he's not very smooth. Well, you track around on city streets and see how smooth you are without hitting anything. Extend it out fully, trying to not. But nobody ever said I was an operator. That I don't. I can run equipment, almost anything. Operate? Some of those fuckers put machines in places that would scare the shit out of me. So, I'd rather do what I do. Just like Brian said, make sure the stone truck is facing uphill so it can drain out. Besides that, I guess I don't care. I just don't want to brake tight to the intersection.